If you are thinking about buying property in Panama, one of the first questions you may have is, can I get financing as a foreigner? And the short answer is yes, foreigners can apply for mortgage financing in Panama, but there are a few things you need to know before you start looking at properties. First, you do not always need to have residency to apply for financing. Some banks may work with foreigners who are not yet residents. However, having residency, local ties, or stronger documentation can sometimes make your application look better. The next thing to know is the down payment. As a foreign buyer, you should usually be prepared to pay down around 30%. Sometimes it may be more depending on the bank, the property, your age, income, and financial profile. So for example, if you are looking at a property for $200,000, you may need to have $60,000 available for the down payment, and that does not include legal fees or other related expenses. The bank will also want to see documents such as your passport, proof of income, proof that you actually have the deposit, bank statements, tax returns, credit references, or sometimes a bank reference letter. If your income comes from outside of Panama, that is okay. However, the bank will still want to verify that your income is stable and that you can comfortably pay the mortgage. Another thing to keep in mind is your age can affect the mortgage too. So if you are retired or close to retirement, the bank may offer a shorter financing period. Interest rates can also vary and they may be different to what you are used to in the US, Canada, or the Caribbean. Now, if you are buying pre-construction, the payment structure may look a little different. Usually, you may pay a reservation fee first and a percentage during construction, and the remaining balance may be due at delivery in either cash or bank financing. So the main thing to remember is, no, you do not always need residency first. But yes, you do need to be financially prepared. You should have your documents organized, and you should be realistic about the down payment and the total costs involved. If you are seriously thinking about buying property in Panama and you are not sure where to start, comment mortgage down below.